In our final video, I wanted to talk about a few things I've not mentioned before. This demo, called DalleDress, has already been built, and it's here on my desktop, and I'm going to double-click on it to open it. You can see it's quite different than the other demos. Very quickly, what is a DalleDress? So DalleDress is a way to take Ethereum addresses. Here I'm taking unchainedindex.eth and create AI-generated images from them. Here I'm taking mranderson.eth, and here leftherus.eth. The basic idea is that we take the address and chop it into multiple pieces, and then we use those pieces to pick attributes from various 20 different databases, and then we throw it off to the AI and it just returns an image. One of the things I wanted to point out was focus mode. You can sort of hide all the menus that are on the application, making it easier to see what you're doing. Another is that almost all the applications are going to want to use monitors. And as I explained earlier, monitors are you telling us which addresses you're interested in, and every application that you build has the same set of monitors, and they're constantly being updated. And also, every application is probably going to want names as well, because you can turn addresses into easily understandable names. Another thing I wanted to point out is that we can switch. If I go back to monitors, we can switch between chains. So here I'm switching to Gnosis, and here you can see that the monitors are different. Every TrueBlocks mini-dApp automatically has support for whatever chains you're indexing. Returning now to the original screen, I wanted to try to make the point that the mini-dApps framework is very broad. You can build any application you want. Because of the underlying libraries and the Unchained Index, your application understands blockchain data natively. You can focus on building an application, not building the infrastructure. This application is an AI generation tool, but because it's blockchain native, it has built-in wallet features such as minting and burning. You can even sell merchandise if you wanted. There's no end to what you can build. I think the original vision of the Mist browser way back in 2015 was a native blockchain app running on your desktop, giving you all the benefits of a decentralized network with none of the pain. The Ethereum node software is broken. The RPC doesn't have an index, which means that we have to rely on third parties, and therefore our privacy is being invaded. I think one day we'll discover what a bad idea that was. So this is a pretty crazy application. You can see it's kind of fun to build these. Like, for example, I would put this on a t-shirt and sell it to my friends. Thank you for your attention. That's our final demo.